West Coast Swing Dancers, I'm Miss Megan.
And I'm Brian B. from West Coast Swing Line. Today we're going to bring you a pro-level move in 5 steps so you can look amazing on the social dance floor. Let's take a look at it and then we'll build it piece by piece. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. If we do it again from this side, and we're going to break this down using a roll in, roll out. We're going to teach you how to do swivels. Forget my footwork as I'm saying. We're going to teach you how the baseball throw works, and then we're going to teach you how to change places and anchor. Because I need to know all these steps to be able to do a pro level move. Then I can bolt them on. First things first, cross hand hold, right to right. I lead, walk with a prep, walk with a prep. I need to roll Megan into her shoulder for 3 and 4. Let her get over that right foot, little comfortable connection, and she rolls away from that hand. So that's the first thing. I just have to be able to do this comfy. And when I'm social dancing, I'll do that with my follower to make sure she gets forward on her front foot and she's connected and comfortable. Once she's there, maybe the next version, actually I'll do it from this side, it'll be easier to learn, is the roll in, roll out. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, rather than swivels. Now, 2 different ways I do this. I pick this left hand up. My footwork, I can dance triple step, triple step. The other version is I could just hang out and go triple step, triple step. But lead-wise, my left hand is going to curve around the corner, triple step, and let her feed forward onto her left foot. Then my right hand is going to go around the corner to let her feed forward onto that foot. Now to finish this, I could just let go of this hand and use the same exit we did before. It would look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, let go of the hand, 9 and 10. I find when you're learning this for the first time, dancing the triples as the leader helps keep you on time.
And the follower.
2, 3, and 4. Triple step, and anchor step. There is a variation where I do swivels for the follower. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to talk us through this, Miss Megan?
Yes, so followers, when you land on your right foot, as you get the lead to turn, you're just going to turn on your right foot and drag your other foot. Then you step and you swivel around. You step, you swivel around. This is just for demonstration purposes. Once you get back here, they'll lead you back out, like Brian talked about.
And we're dancing in 2-beat increments. So you can swivel, and it doesn't matter to me. I can triple. All those things work, both variations. But third thing is we need to learn a rock and go. What's a rock and go? Well, if I roll Megan in and I over-rotate her, I take her out of her anchor step. That would be the rock and go, not allowing her to anchor. Here's how we're going to apply it in this move. Now, there are endless patterns in West Coast Swing, but here's the truth.
Everything comes back to just 3 basics. That's why we've created our free West Coast Swing pattern tree.
It's a simple clickable guide that will show how seemingly random moves all relate back to the push, pass, and whip. You can get it in the description below or in the QR code right here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to do 2 of these swivels because we're going to build this pattern. Triple step, triple step. Now from here, I take the left hand over. I cut to the other side of the slot. Triple step. So I pull Megan out onto her left foot. Now here, a couple different options. I can do a bow tie. Right hand over, left hand over for the anchor. So that's one way to end that pattern. We'll just use that for the moment. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I take her out. 9 and 10. I've crossed this side of the slot. I lead the inside turn. 11 and 12, 13 and 14. Did I count that right? I don't know. You'll watch that back. We'll know. So that is how we institute the rock and go. Next up is a baseball throw. And I want to cover the baseball throw by itself from a cross hand. Here's how we're going to lead the baseball throw. We're going to dance 1, 2. I'm prepping Megan for 2. I'm walking down line with my right foot. This is going to go over the head. I'm going to triple underneath me. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So this is, I call this like a no-look pass. We're dancing an inside turn for Megan. That's basic inside turn footwork. I have to sneak in my baseball throw. 1, 2. I take a step across my foot. I can triple underneath me, left, right, left, and then anchor step. Or I could just count it out in my head. 1, 2. I can turn left, right, left, anchor, step, where I don't actually triple it. Probably the key to victory for this is, can I effectively just lead an inside turn, piece of cake for my follower? Is that super comfy? Because if it's not, this is going to be a disaster. 1, 2. I have to be in a position where I'm pretty close to her so that this can go over my head and to the low back of Megan. So as you get better at this, it's going to be key when we put it all together. 1, 2. My hand is going over the head and to the low back, and I just let it slide down. How the heck does step number 4, the baseball throw, fit into our bigger pattern? It's about to happen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's on her right foot. 5 and 6 on her left foot. 7 and 8. So the swivels are done. Now I go over her head for the rock and go. Rock and go. So now I have to manage leading her on her left foot. This hand goes behind my head. Now we're in the baseball throw. Triple step and anchor step. Let's do it again from this side. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So I have to lead her around the corner and take this behind my head. This hand behind my head. She's already prepped, so now this hand just goes over baseball throw and anchor step. But if you remember the top of the video, there was one more thing, a 5th step that we added to this. We changed places and anchor. That's how we're going to do this. That's what we're going to do next. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock and go. Baseball throw, change to the other side. Here's how you can practice this change to the other side anchor. Off of a basic inside turn or a basic free spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to pick up her back and just stay in closed position. Can I just take this hand nice and low, right to her low back, and pick this up? That's the connection point. What's the follower's job to do in an anchor, Miss Megan?
Anchor away.
Away. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's away. Triple step. It's still away. So away is away from your partner, not necessarily in a specific spot in the room. Footwork for this, because I'm going to need to be able to do this by itself before I layer it onto my cool 14-count pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I made leader's footwork, it's going to go side, cross, and the last step is going to go wherever I need to let her be anchored. Then I can come out maybe in a tuck turn or whatever else from there. Does that make sense? Followers are just simply going to
Anchor away.
anchor away. So when you typically anchor,
It would be a triple in a straight direction, but we are going to go triple around the corner.
beautiful. So now let's layer it all together. This is your 5th step of your pro level move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. I can leave here or I can let that go and pick up here. But make sure you master each of these steps because they all matter to the move. Please don't try to do the whole darn thing. If you watch this far, you're probably not that guy or that girl. Good on you. If you're wondering about other pro level moves, we've done a video series here. We break down pro level moves. You can watch another one right here. And if you're really interested in learning tons of new moves, over on our website, we have 1,500 videos. Everything's leveled out, beginner, intermediate, advanced. There's a pro level moves section. You can sort by all of those levels. You can type in whip variations. There's a favorites section. You can create playlists. It's super cool. There's an app. It is money, and we work really hard in it. And you can check it out right here. See you on the dance floor soon.